I'm a particular said this gold for oil transaction. I buy person who extended the gold deal to other areas. Like your debt. I know say bilateral phobia bar you do moka as a bank and they are prepared to take gold in exchange for our debts.
Nanka interest payments, no amortization.
The pressure is down. That is leadership. Now the same as they don't get any idea. We can have a time in the best for the real politics because Ghana for have to compare the two. The problem at this MPP government, the crisis we went through. They be having any for me and they be say COVID, COVID. Open shed the whole Ghana, you know, Chromie per towns, 2 towns. Am I 95% of our tax revenue?
Greater Accra and Greater Kumasi.
Yes.
95%.
Yes. A basic on your tax revenue, no, son, me way 2 towns on my 95%. Now, Yariaba also be under. Obia Kumasi be more BMP.
Greater Kumasi.
More BMP. Ebeno scan winning. Swami, what's the Mobiama? KJT more BMP. Everything shut down. Plane 2, hotels closed.
Portma,
nothing. The economy is shut down. Unfortunately for you, 70% of your population are informal.
Hey, Bojua. Debia, the call Bedidi.
Into who catch any song called an ready. Yes, I buy the money. So once your revenue is falling, expenditure no quite cost. When you say COVID by no beer on your COVID be or call any government hospital beer was free of charge.
Yeah.
A draw no me a buy triaka, pania woy, be free. You have all compare crisis way to end this crisis. Plane 2, golden tulip shut down. How are you going to manage the economy? Economy, you need a leader, a skillful leader, to think outside the box. Because Nado can say, you say, yes, I can bring the economy back. But as for lives there, I can't. That is why we are seeing praising Ghana for the way we managed the economy during the COVID era. And because of course, want to mean me too revenue, so you have to borrow more. Into that's no quite a cost. Now, no, I'm prepared for that than some amount of money baby. Because a bedroom maybe will have some sober minds to reflect. Me, I bring it back the economy. That is why economy moving from exchange rate from 15 and then I'm 12. No. Gradually, we are coming back. That is leadership. That is leadership. And as for the crop of NDC people there, my respect to them. No beating as they don't get about politics, maybe can you but based on what I have seen him do and I've heard him say, I don't see anything new. Into the time for a real debate. Because Ghana for now we are just advantage because how they are very intelligent people outside. Now some we a demonstration you Accra. Said don't we who did the bear 2 weeks.
Hey, Pegu.
Yes. Hey, economy newu ye be demonstration. Nipa 500 grand. Do you know what that means? They are telling you say the Akufo-Addo ni naban eye no. Ye ni hu. But you are not an alternative.
And this is not alternative.
You are not an alternative. We bought, but we no fool. You both. We are wide awake. We are wide awake. Economic demonstration going now. Why? Because Ghana phoning him say you're caught him. Now see Birmingham Games. I was part of the delegation called London. Everything has gone up, even in Europe. You know, so I was part of the IMF in called Washington.
That's right.
Hotel, everything has gone up. Even America was struggling. Even America. In Ghana phone they know said there are some global ABA cost. Me can say a buying way. Yenfa BBM blaming on COVID and not global external factors. No, there are some local things. Me feel say we could have done better.
Anye ni ye.
Into no, me the leader there, you accept your fault. Who accept to say yes, we can say me and say man ye. You assure the people say going forward many differently. So of course you can't say at my way, yeah, just the diakosu is because of external factors. No, there are some internal ones that I personally even feel, even as a government person, so we could have done differently. Yes.
That NDC is not the alternative.
Oh.
They are poised and ready to take power. They feel say mass economy na Ghana is rooting for them. If you hear Jedun Ketia, if you hear all the big wigs in the party say we are coming to rescue the people because but more the minor cool radich.
We call a radio program and you say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Abba Kumase. Now, no more interview, fellas, patch with us. I say, oh, my back, Kumase, the enthusiasm. Me pay dinner, you know. Show me crying. Sir Santa Man crab as son, sir. Me, I'm tell you. Say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Abba my constituency. I'm not going to okay, who crowd that just where we election? Me see me MPP. Says SL John Romani Muhammad Bam constituency. No question. I will join the crowd. No question.
I could tell you.
Papa no do so by only. I go. No question. And I'm going.
3.1.
Your mind nipa ye 3 years with your 3 months only. No question. My going there does not mean I will vote for him. I just want to go and see Papa now or picking him from light to darkness for 4 years. No question. And I'm going to no question. Papa na fija kwa abre no for better so went mama your district no question. Papa na breso na ahin grow to chichire na kwan ne no question.
And they kwan ye.
No question. And I'm going to no question. Papa no buy I went mama me secondary school back po nem wo for no question. And I'm going to no question. So my joining the crowd means just will be winning and it better about man. It is okay so say they are poised and when they see educate you about hungry. Everybody would like to go and see us educate ya. But yeah, banning just say better amount. No, that is not the issue at all. It's as for the NDC alternative there. Me say me metie almost so far. I've not heard any novelty.
Oh no baby strong kwa.
So what bia o mamente. Say bia say bibi say the gold for you ya be. Yen TB da wo yasum no. So what bia ka che me. What bia ka che me. Nothing new. It's nothing new. It's a Sedun Keta from general secretary to chairman. Sami Jenfi is still communication director. Hanabisi, she's been there all this while. It's the same group of people. Pablo, on one and all youth organizer. I know that's your youth organizer. So it's the same crop of people. So let's see how it goes. We have a new crop of people. Fresh.
National chairman.
The national chairman, new.
General secretary.
General secretary, new.
Treasurer.
New.
National
Youth organizer, new. It's the national organizer and we're moving from youth to organizer. So it's the old against the new. It's no yabako battle. As for the NDC alternative there. Me say the meaning NDC ni number.
For saying don't call it. So why we kind son? I don't know what I said.